Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, we're going to make some Chinese fish in oyster sauce. This is superb. Like, it really is amazing, and it's really quite simple. It's not going to take us that long. You can do it for sure. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. So let's get started with our fish. I'm using dory fish. You could use any other type of fish that you want. This was frozen, defrosted it, cut it into pieces, dried it out a little bit with some kitchen paper. So basically you just need some sort of fillet fish, whatever it is, no bones. Simply, we're gonna get some flour, salt and pepper, get it together. Okay, so I've got a mixing bowl, I've got my sexy glove on because I'm gonna go in with my hand. And like you see, you can see I've kind of cut these into this size pieces. Let's grab some flour. Now I'm using just regular wheat flour. 1, 2, 3 heaped ones there. Some black pepper. Be quite generous with your seasoning, and salt. Now if you wanted, you could get some chili powder in here, some turmeric to kind of change the color somewhat, or some other spice. I'm just going with this one today. Simply, we're going to work this in. I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Okay, so that's worked in really nicely, nice little coating. What we're going to do now is get over to the cooker, get this into some oil, deep fry it. It's going to be delicious. Canola, peanut, up to you really. I'm using sunflower oil. Getting that nice and hot. We're going to drop these in now. Let's take a look. Look at that, beautiful. In they go. Probably going to do this in 2 batches. Five to 6 minutes on this lovely hot oil. That fish is going to get really nice and crispy, but be beautifully moist and soft on the inside. It's in about 5 or 6. Okay, that's it. 5 to 6 minutes. That looks fantastic, doesn't it? Really beautiful. Let me get that out onto some kitchen paper to get any excess oil from that. Really delicious. Crunchy, golden brown, beautiful in the middle. I've got one more batch to do, so let me do that. In they go. Same again, 5 to 6 minutes. Then we can move on to the next stage. This is going to be fabulous. Beautiful, beautiful. But out they come. We're going to reduce this oil down by 95%, just a little bit of oil in it. Then we're going to get moving on this really simple dish. Before we do that, I'm just going to take you back to the table so we can check out a few other ingredients. So there's our beautiful fried fish. Set that aside. Now we've got onion. I'm using a red onion, cut nice and chunky, bell peppers, a few mixed colors there, tiny amount of fish sauce, oyster sauce, ginger, garlic, and some green onions. All of the amounts of all this is going to be in the text below, by the way. We're going to get back to the cooker, back to our wok. The only additional thing is we're going to add a little bit of water to this. So we're back at the wok. Got some oil in there. We're now going to go in with our ginger, nice and hot. The garlic. Both of these things are going to really infuse that oil. Chunky cut onion. Chunky cut bell peppers. We're going to go with some black pepper. We're not going to add any salt to this. We've got oyster sauce and fish sauce, which is extremely salty. This is all going to happen right now. I'm going to add a little bit of water. Or if you wanted some rice wine maybe, but water works for me. The fish sauce, super strong, so be careful with it. The oyster sauce. Staying on this high heat. Let's get that in there. Now you need that water in there just because the oyster sauce itself is too thick and sticky. A little bit of water in there works wonders. We're now going to drop in our fish. In that goes. Staying on a high heat about 2 to 3 minutes. Turning the fish over into the vegetables and the sauce. The water will evaporate out a little bit. I'll see you then. We're pretty much done. That's it, off goes the heat. Let's grab those green onions, scallions or spring onions, whatever you call them. One last mix. We are done. That is fabulous. I'll see you at the table. And there you go, straight from the wok, steaming hot, super easy that, and really delicious. If you want a little bit of fresh chili, up to you. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Do give us a thumbs up on this video. Leave a comment, we'd like to hear from you. We will see you soon. Lots of love.